What's popping, guys? So in today's video, I want to talk about 5 ways that you could make money from crypto. Welcome to my channel, Aksaka Cheche. In this channel, I talk about online business, income hacks, digital marketing, NFTs, and the metaverse. So please like this video and subscribe for more videos like this one. So let's dive in. 5 ways to make money from the crypto market. Number one, crypto affiliate programs. Now, if you head over to Binance, there is an affiliate program, Paxful. So almost all crypto exchanges and service-related businesses and companies have an affiliate program. So what that means is that they will pay you certain commissions for you to refer them to a friend, right? So if you are an influencer, you have a community, all right, it could be on WhatsApp or on Facebook or Instagram or an email list, all right, you could simply apply to some of these. And of course, some of them don't even require you to have a website. Most of them don't require you have a website. So you just try, you apply, and the next thing you do is you copy your unique link and then you share it with your friends and ask them to try the service, or sign up, whatever it is that your deal with the affiliate program is. So that's the first way to make money off of crypto affiliate programs. By the way, to learn more about this, you could simply head over to Google and search, just type in crypto affiliate programs, and you'll find some amazing opportunities that you could tap into. Number two, community management. Now, I've talked about this in a previous video where I mentioned the 7 top skills you need for 2020, and I mentioned community management. Now, you will agree with me that there are tons and thousands, maybe hundreds of crypto tokens that are being launched every day. Okay, and each of these would require someone to moderate the group, someone to just manage the community. Okay, so this is where you come in, right? So you could learn this and then apply it in the crypto space. Number three, trading. Now, for trading, there are 3 different types when it comes to crypto. There is day trading, there is spot trading. There's spot trading, there's margin trading, there's futures trading. Of course, I recommend that if you are not certified, if you're not trained, you don't have the knowledge, you run away from margin and futures, because yes, it could make you lots of money. It has made people lots of money, but likewise, people have lost quite a sum there. Okay, so if you just stay with spot trading, I mean, you could do great. It's sometimes I've gotten 0.5x, sometimes 2x, 3x from just spot trading. I mean, and the risk is very much less when compared to margin and futures trading. All right, so that would be. Let's go to number 4. Simply invest. And of course, by invest, I mean you deposit your money, you get the coin or the token, and then you leave it for, like, say 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You never know. So imagine you invested in Bitcoin in the year 2016, right? Or even 2017. I mean, by now you could have cashed out from quite a ton of money. All right, so investing. And then some advice I would give you, of course, this is not financial advice, but I would recommend you do your due diligence so that you don't get rug pulled, you avoid scams. Thirdly, don't FOMO into coins. Okay, so FOMO means fear of missing out. So that was the first way I lost my first $1,500. All right, crypto. I learned a coin was going to be listed somewhere, so I quickly got it. Right, I got it at the top. All right, while it was still high, expecting that it should shoot up further. What happened was that it went the reverse. So it started falling the price until was. So you're investing, you want to get into coins early, right? So there are amazing crypto channels on YouTube that you could look at. One of them is this JRNY Crypto. So you want to look at what he does. He does amazing stuff. So you try to find coins that still have a low market cap, okay, and then you get them, and of course you relax. Investing requires patience. Okay, you just don't want to, you don't have this that you want to cash out fast. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You want to take your time, be patient. One more thing is that if you're going into crypto investing, you want to invest like an investor. So you want to be a savvy investor. You need patience, okay? And that is only possible if you're not investing money that you can lose, money that you need for day-to-day, challenges and fixing of stuff. So you want to invest, say, savings or money you don't need, and also invest money that you can afford to lose. All right. So number five. You could use your already acquired skills. So what I mean by this is that, so for instance, I am a marketer, I'm a content creator. All right. I could go find some crypto-based startups and companies and offer to create content for them or to handle their marketing. All right. So if you have a digital skill, you could find a way to make it beneficial to crypto-related companies and startups and offer that to them. And of course, they get to pay you. All right. So there could be more. Leave a comment down below for me. Let me know which of these you plan to get into. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.